Hi, my name is Tiffany, and I wanted to share a little bit about my own mental health journey. My story begins a little over 20 years ago, where I was involved in a car accident where my dad, who was driving, unfortunately lost his life, and I acquired a disability. Given some of the cultural stigma around either losing a parent or acquiring a disability, I never sought the help that I needed as a child for what had happened, and I lived with this trauma for a really long time. And it wasn't until about 12 years later that I actually identified what had happened to me as trauma, and I started to self-identify myself as a person with a disability. Fast forward a little less than 20 years later, I had just moved to San Francisco in 2016, and I was assaulted randomly by someone while I was walking down the street. And that experience actually triggered a lot of my own mental health and my own depression and anxiety that I had kind of suppressed for a really long time. And it was really that moment that made me decide that I wanted to seek some professional help as an adult now, for my sense of safety to be threatened and for this type of trauma to happen as an adult. I decided that I was going to pursue some help. And I think what really helped me through this entire experience was, number one, being able to be part of communities like Stigma Fighters or like my own company, Diversability, and realizing that I wasn't alone. And then the second was being given the space by my friends, by my community, by social media to be able to share what was going on. It is okay to not be okay.